to my channel. Wagwan, hope everything good. So today in Shan's kitchen I'll be making Jamaican hot chocolate tea, and I'm just gonna get right into the video and I'll be showing you all that you'll need to make the tea. So over here I have the main ingredients, which is the chocolate obviously. So my cousin got Jamaica and she bring back chocolate cake come and give me. So you need some nutmeg to spice it up, cinnamon, and some vanilla to spice it up, and you'll be sweetening it with the condensed milk, and obviously I'll need some water. And my cousin in Jamaica make the chocolate tea with coconut milk, so today I'm gonna try it out and see how that go. And you can drop this chocolate into the water and make it boil out and dissolve naturally, but what I tend to do is grater it. So I'm gonna grater it and strain it after you're done. Alright, so let's get right into the video. What I have here is 600 milliliter or 20 ounces of water. So I'm gonna pour that in the pot. And 1 tin of condensed coconut milk as well, and make it go and boil. When it start while it boil, while I'm waiting for it to be boiled, sorry guys, I'll be grating the chocolate so you can see. So 600 milliliters of water and 1 tin of coconut milk, and that should be enough to serve 3 people. So I'm gonna make some for me, my sister, and my cousin, because today we're doing like a little tea party. See it here now. So I left this, make it go and boil up while I grate again. Grater the cup chocolate. And yeah, I know #1 rule, I washed my hands previously, so let's just get right into it. So I grate it on this side here. And like I said, everybody do it different. Some people are in the past me just throw down the chocolate in the water and make it melt out, but for now I'm just gonna grate it, and I'll get back to you guys and show you what it looks like. So this is the end result. You see 1 ball of my grater, and you see how much chocolate is there. And as I said, this is not a necessary step, it's just something that I do personally because I find that it slows down the boiling time, and it just gives it a smoother, more refined finish. So the water and the coconut milk start boil up now. So what you're going to do now is add your chocolate to the pot. Oh Jesus, I like it already. And stir it in. As I said guys, I never try it with coconut milk. I will just throw it in a sauce of water and make it boil. But my cousin in Jamaica, I see him put up one picture with a little video on WhatsApp. I boil chocolate in a coconut milk, and I'm like, that must be nice, I need to try it. So I'm gonna try it today and see it. But Lord God, turn down the fire. Oh no. Say I said this is a trial and error, people. Look at me, I needed a bigger pot. It's something really boiled up on me. But I tell you, say it smells so good right now. It's very nice. And keep it on low heat. So I have it on 1, the lowest my stove can go to. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave this to boil for about maybe 10 minutes. Let the chocolate one boil up on low heat and steam out whatever you want. I mean, I put the spoon across it like that so it don't boil over, because when my little mother used to say, put the spoon across the pot to make it stop boil over in the stove. So, we see how it go. And, I don't know if you can see my cake over here, so I just done bake my lemon drizzle cake. So I bake a little lemon drizzle cake for my tea party, but look here, it almost done up still, but can't go on the same way. Can't go on the same way. Boy. So I'm going to throw in the spice them from now so it can boil together and get a good flavor. I don't want to sweeten it just at the end. So that's out like 1.5 cork of vanilla. Jesus, I might drink this now. It smells so damn good. And a little tubs cinnamon. If I have cinnamon leaf, I would boil it in there, but I just put a little pinch. Jesus Christ, this is so good. And you know, I don't know if you've ever made this tea before. When you put the whole chocolate in it, it's so lumpy, and if you can come and have a closer look. There's hardly anything for me strain out. Love it this way. It's better. Well, to me personally. So I'm just gonna grate some nutmeg in there as well. Yo, these are the best tea. It's like Jamaica do the best everything. The chocolate tea and nice gone to bed. And with these, with the spices, you add to your taste. If you want to put just a little bit, if you want to put one teaspoon, it's up to you. But we just grate a little piece. I don't measure it, I don't know the exact amount. So when I say if you're a lover of nutmeg and you like the taste of it and you want to add enough more, that's down to you. But when them make the chocolate, them add spice to it already. So you don't really need no one of flavor because it naturally is already flavored. But yeah, I like nutmeg, so that's why. So I'm gonna leave it there to go and simmer down, boil, and just make the flavor go and get in it. Oh God, people if you couldn't smell it, it's such a beautiful smell. So I don't know if you guys can see all these little bits. So those are the things that we will need to be straining. We will be straining out because we don't want to drink these little grainy things. And you see little oil film, when it's circle you will see the little oil film at the top. This tea, very dangerous. Yo, because of that you would think so cool and everything, we burn out your throat well, so it takes a little while to cool down, so you got to be very careful when you're drinking this tea. So I said I would taste it, pour it out and taste it. I won't be tasting it, no. I'm gonna want to burn me, but I'm gonna show you guys. I just wanted you guys to see what it looked like. It's finished now. You can see the nice milky effect, and yep, let's get it in my cup. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see clearly, but that's the oil film. It's sickle up at the top. And the tea look nice and cool, but underneath that, hey, you burn out your backside. So I'm just gonna strain it into a cup now. And hopefully I'm not burn up myself in the process. So this is the finished product, and you see why it needs to be strained. All of that particles remaining from the chocolate. So yeah, thanks for watching. I see the rest of the tea in the pot. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And this, I don't know which part, if you're abroad, I don't know which part in England or America you can get these to buy, but If you have somebody I got Jamaica, just beg them carry back some chocolate for you and try it out and let me know how it goes. I mean, now with the corona and all that, flight's not possible. There might be a delay in that, but as soon as possible, try out the Jamaican chocolate. Family, friends, anybody we got Jamaica, just beg them carry back some chocolate for you and let me know how you like it. Thanks again for watching. So here's the hot chocolate, Jamaican hot chocolate, and the coconut milk make it taste extra nice. So I'm glad I tried it. So I think you guys should give it a go as well and let me know if you do actually like it. So I'm just showing a snippet of my tea party, afternoon tea party with my sister and my cousin, and the hot chocolate. And what we having, this is clotted cheese and strawberry jam with scones, and blueberry muffins, and cucumber sandwich, and egg and mayo, English style, but them taste nice. Yeah, this is all English stuff as well. And my lemon drizzle cake that I baked, not an English thing when I learned from being in England, but I like it. And we're just gonna have some fruits and prosecco. Yeah, so it's like a one-man party because the three of we there. We're gonna drink a cup of tea and have our afternoon tea party and blaze up some music and go on all our vibes.